Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel, and thank you for coming back to see little old me. So in today's vlog is going to be another luxury apartment tour edition vlog, and today we are going to apartment complex called The Yards, and it's located in Aberdeen, Maryland. So let's check out this luxury apartment and see what kind of prices are they charging people out here, okay? And what kind of amenities do they have, and is it worth the price? Okay, so if you want to see how Maryland living is, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and stay tuned. And before I go, don't laugh at my big ass coat. It's cold out here. It's like Alaska and Antarctica, okay? Don't do me. All right.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be.
Hey guys, so we are at The Yards, and this is in Aberdeen, Maryland. So let me show you the clubhouse so far, okay? So we have a pool table over here, a little seating area. We have a outdoor lounge area. It looks like this is probably where the pool is at as well. Yes, this is where the pool is at as well. And then we have more study areas or business center areas and a nice little lounge. Then we also have this sitting area over here with the fireplace. See, there's a lot of sitting areas out here if you want to study, your kids is doing virtual learning, or you have some business meetings and your kids are in the house. This is a nice area. Here's the fireplace, sitting area. Here's the business center with the iMacs and HPs for you to do your work. And here's a little kitchen area if you're having a little party or anything like that. Are we going on the second floor?
Third floor.
Oh, third floor.
But I think we're
all right. Hey guys, so it's remote key access, so the building is secure. So you need a key fob to get in the building, and you also need to buzz in your guests. So packages is normally left here, but they have a camera to make sure that nobody steals your packages. And here is the mailboxes right here. And here is the hallway. And guess what, guys? It has an elevator. Yes, this building has an elevator. That is that's like major key right there. Alright guys, so as you can see, here's the elevators, and look at the hallways. Look familiar? These hallways are just like the other hallways in the other properties that we visited. Looks like little hotel lobbies and hotel hallways. I love that. Alright, so right now we're going to view a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Alright.
So this is our 2-bedroom. This is actually the smallest of all of our 2-bedrooms.
Okay, so this is the smallest one.
Yep.
Okay.
1154 square feet.
So here is the guest bathroom. Here we are. Granite countertops. And the garden style tub. Look, he already tripping over stuff. Here's the medicine cabinet. It comes with a mirror too. Love that.
Yeah, that's the bathroom.
Here is a closet. Oh, this is not a guest bathroom. This is the master bathroom, sorry. Here is a closet. No, I lied again. This is definitely a guest bedroom. Here we are. Looks like it could fit a king size bed. Ooh, look guys. So you have this area right here to sit out, and you go through this way, I guess. I don't know what's in here. I don't know what's in there. I can't open it. I don't know what this door goes to. I think it goes to outside, maybe. I don't know. But here's your little patio area right outside your window. Oh, here's the door to get out there. Here's the dining room.
Oh, okay.
Nice. Here's the living room.
I like location. Yeah.
It's a nice size. It could fit this couch in here, these 2 chairs, a end table, and another chair out here. So that's nice size. This is how you get out to the patio, or to your balcony. Here's the kitchen. You have a kitchen island. Stainless steel, stainless steel refrigerator. A lot of storage in this kitchen. You can put shoes in here. Hide your shoes. Yeah. You have a window. Nice.
This is the smallest of the
Okay.
so there's one.
There's so we have 4 different.
So this is the master bedroom.
Which are 80 feet.
You can definitely fit a king size bed in here.
And it's 1154 square feet. Then it goes up to 1163, 1181, and 1185.
Oh, 2 closets. Oh, look at this closet. That would definitely be mine. You know, this little closet right here would be CJ's. Here's the master bathroom. So it does come in with a stand-up shower, but it doesn't have the glass doors, which is that really a big deal? No. Here's the sink. Here's the medicine cabinet. It's nice. And of course, this unit comes with a washer and dryer.
Most of my family is here.
Washer and dryer. And it also has a linen closet and a coat closet. That's the boiler room. Here's your coat closet. Alright guys, so as you can see, they also have storage garages. The storage garages is for an extra fee. And guess what? They also have covered parking for an extra fee as well. So in the winter months, if you don't want to like dust off the snow on your car, you can pay an extra fee for your vehicle to be covered in a covered parking garage. So that's nice. So they don't have a dog park, but they do accept pets. And they also have a car wash area in the community. So that is nice. And as you know, we're going over prices at the end of the tour, okay? And I also got to show you the gym. They have a real large gym. And they also give you free Starbucks coffee in the clubhouse. You just have to bring your own cup. So that's nice. So here's the coffee area. Free Starbucks coffee or tea. You just have to bring your own cup. And here's the gym. This is nice for those of you who like to work out. Here's a little yoga section right here. And this is open 24 hours. So that is nice. So this community has 1, 2, and 3 bedroom apartments. So you do have a lot of options to select from. So yes. All right guys, so it's the end of the tour. So I'm gonna get to these prices, okay? So let's see what these prices are looking like. Uh-oh. So at the yards at Fieldside Village, let's see, a 1 bedroom will run you $1,300 to $1,400. And let's see, a 2 bedroom, 2 bath will start at $1,876, and they go up to $1,961. So the floor plan that we looked at, it was the smallest one, which is 1,100 square feet. That's $1,800 to $2,000. Wait a minute now. Wait, it will run you, all the 2 bedrooms, 2 baths will run you $1,800 to $2,000, okay? The 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom apartments, which is 1,300 square feet, will run you from $1,900 to $2,000, okay? So that is the prices at the yards. So you have to have a reservation / security deposit. It's $250 with approved credit. And if you have iffy credit, then you have to do 1 month's rent. Application fee is $25 per adult in the house. Why am I getting blurry? Let me get this. Can you guys see me? Okay, here we go. Like I'm saying, so it's $25 per adult in the apartment for the application fee. A pet deposit of $300, and then it's $35 monthly for your pet. And it also has a breed restriction, so no pit bulls, Rottweilers, okay? The private garage is $130 per month. Covered parking is $55 monthly, and it only comes in certain buildings. You could have a 6-month lease, but it's $50 extra. And residents are responsible for electric, water, and sewer, gas, cable, internet, and a renter's insurance. You should have renter's insurance, period, because it's important. Renter's insurance is so cheap. We only pay $10. So that is that on the yard. So it's kind of pricey. It does come with a lot of amenities. I think so far my favorite property that we viewed so far was the Enclave. That was a bomb-ass property, okay? Let's see. Am I forgetting anything? Because you know I always forget everything. I think that's it for this property. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you later. Deuces.
Take it away, feeling too good.